Hey guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. This OBJ here. Please hit the subscribe button, like, and join the family, guys. Yes, here we go. Today we're going to be reacting to the top speed of the BMW i8 Coupe. You guys have a bit of history with this car. If you have not watched that video, I'm going to leave it in the recommendation above, but let's watch this one. Let's see the top speed of this car. And there's so many criteria that could affect this car. With what I'm seeing, this is not on the track, not on the racetrack, on the highway. So, but let's see what's the top speed of this car. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video to your friends, guys. They should come and see marvelous things we are doing. This, of course, the spec of this car is a 1.5 turbo plus electric all-wheel drive, horsepower 374, 0 to 100 in 4.4 seconds, and 250 km/h. Okay, that is a quick walk around this car, but let's hop into it, guys. Yeah, let's go. This is a highway race, so it's actually not like when you mean, sorry, just had to check if my mic is on. It's actually not a track race. There's so many obstructions to it, so many cars to this. But I'm seeing 200 km/h so quick. I don't trust your gauge, man. But let's see. How far can this car go? What's the limit you can push this car to? 'But come on, I love the infotainment of this car. You having your screen right here, damn, is beautiful. But this car, we have the history with this car. The link is in the comments, in the description below. Go check that video out. But whoa, hold on, wait, don't leave yet. Let's finish this video. Let's see. This is 216, 218, 220. That's the highest it has gone since. Two hundred, 210, 213, 215, 217, 226, 28, 30, 32, 35, 37, 38, 245, 248, 240, 250, 251, 252, 253, 254. 254 was the highest speed of this car. Come on, guys. All thanks to thanks for to Auto Top NL for this video. Damn. Okay, I can say or would say the BMW i8 Coupe is a fast car. But are you going to buy this car? Are you going to buy this car? Leave your comment below. Love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like my video, and comment below. See you guys in the next one. Peace.